This video tutorial I will cover range method of YearMonth class which accept temporal field. Here I have defined a class YearMonth demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created YearMonth object. Here I am calling range method of YearMonth object and passing temporal field as year. So this method will return range of year. Here I am getting minimum range. Here I am getting maximum range. Here I am calling range method of YearMonth object and passing temporal field as month of year. So this method will return range of month. Here I am getting minimum. Here I am getting maximum.